So this video is going to be a special one for me as I'm going to reveal my entire content strategy that I'm using to post consistently across all platforms. This includes my YouTube channel, this includes my X or my Twitter account, my LinkedIn account, even email, newsletters, and more. And I'm going to show you how I'm leveraging AI to do this at scale. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I'm using for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the description or pinned comment below. Now, there's a lot of moving parts to my content strategy, but the gist of it is this. Every week, my goal is to publish at least one YouTube video that's valuable, not some, YouTube short, but a valuable long form YouTube video. And then from that long form YouTube video, I leverage AI to repurpose that into different mediums with best practices, whether that's a thread on X or Twitter, a LinkedIn post, short videos for shorts on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and then also an email newsletter. And so I'm going to explain to you high level how I'm doing each one of those. So first, I should explain to you, how I'm getting these content ideas in the first place to publish consistent videos on my YouTube channel. As I'm aware for many content creators that the ideation component can actually be very difficult to snap the writer's block. And here's a way that you can do that using AI. So if you open up ChatGPT or even Claude in this instance, I'll even copy and paste this prompt if you guys want to use this for ideation. What you can do is take a screenshot. So in this example, I took a screenshot of my YouTube channel. You can do a competitor's YouTube channel. You can do another social media platform if you want, but you can prompt it with something like the following. I need you to be an expert in YouTube content marketing and AI. You'd insert whatever your niche is there. I have a YouTube channel focused on AI tutorials, reviews, tips, etc., and I need your help. What are some video ideas that an audience interested in AI would find valuable and willing to share or subscribe to my channel? And then I gave it a little background. I said, provide a list of 10 video ideas. I gave it my channel link for reference. And based on that, it provided 10 video ideas off of my prompt. It said, top 10 AI tools every content creator needs in 2025. I actually did a video just like that. How AI is changing social media marketing forever. ChatGPT for marketers. 5 simple prompts to save hours every week. Email marketing. AI-powered video editing. Best AI for writing high converting ad copy. Is AI killing SEO? How to repurpose content using AI. I have another tutorial on that as well. So you guys get the idea here. We can leverage AI in the first place to get content ideas that you might not have thought of at the beginning. So after generating ideas and actually executing on creating the long form content, which by the way, that's probably the hardest part about all of this, if I'm being honest, is the actual execution of recording the videos, editing the videos, getting the thumbnails, and everything else that goes along with creating YouTube videos at scale. But I'm going to assume that if you're a content creator, you are executing consistently. So once you're executing and creating content consistently, the first example that I'm going to go over is how I repurpose one of my YouTube videos into an engaging thread on X or Twitter. And how I do this is the first step is, let's say there's a video, how to create an AI video clone that sounds like me. I'm going to use this one as an example. What you can do is if you scroll down, you can click show transcript, and this will give you the transcript on the top right of your screen. So what you want to do is copy and paste the transcript of your video. And then what I do is I actually use a custom GPT for this exact use case. I call it Threadcraft GPT. I think I can leave a link to this and maybe some of my other custom GPTs in the description below. But basically what I have it do is I give it a topic. So in this case, how to create an AI video clone. I give it the transcript and then I train it in the instructions on what some of the best practices are for creating threads on X or Twitter. And here's the output that it provided. How to create your own AI video clone. So the little thread emoji. And then it gives me each individual tweet that I would attach in the thread. So here's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, etc. Now, if there's something you don't like I said, this is too long. I think you don't need to go past step 5. So then it gives me a more concise Twitter thread. So then what I did is I simply copy and pasted what it gave me here and then went over to X or Twitter and created this thread. Now here's the thread right here. I did have images for each step. So if you can add images to each tweet, that makes it more engaging. But here's step 1. I even tagged the relevant companies. Step 2, here's another image. Step 3, that's it, right? So sometimes I'll attach the video URL after the last step in a thread where it makes sense. But that's a quick example, right, of how I'm repurposing a YouTube video into a Twitter or X thread using best practices as I've defined on the back end of this custom GPT called Threadcraft. Now, in addition to social media posts like Twitter threads, you can also take a YouTube video transcript and turn that into an email newsletter using your specific guidelines and formatting. So what I do for this, and I'm going to use this same video as an example, is I copy and paste the transcript and I plug it into a separate custom GPT that's specifically optimized for creating email newsletters with my instructions. I call this my AI Power Play email GPT. I actually use this to craft the outline of my weekly email newsletters. I'm actually going to give you the secret sauce here if I click Edit GPT, and I'm going to show you some of the instructions that I'm using to help build this. So some of the instructions, I give it the tone and style. Basically, I'm telling it what I want. I give it guidelines. I actually give it examples in the instructions as well. So I say below is an example of a successful email for you to reference in terms of formatting. I'm giving it examples to reference. Something else that I started doing in this GPT that I found success with is I'm giving it examples of specific subject lines and then attaching the data with them. So I gave it 6 subject lines, 7 subject lines, and I'm giving it the percent open rate. So in this example, this chat GPT hacks with the shush emoji had a 57.3% open rate. Now that's very good. That's better than some of my other ones have performed. So I want to tell this GPT or this custom GPT to say, hey, these are good high performing subject lines. Reference these for your future outputs. And I gave it some words to avoid. And I also uploaded knowledge here. I gave it an email example of one that I've written. I gave it some other writing examples. I gave it another email example. I gave it some AI words and phrases to avoid. That's very important that you do that as well. But if I come back to this example here, basically what I do in this custom GPT, similar to what I did in the Twitter threads GPT, is I take that video transcript, I copy and paste it in here, and then I provide the topic. I'll usually give it a subject line that I'm thinking of. And with that data, if I scroll down here, you'll see it provides an optimized email newsletter based on the formatting that I want. And again, you might have a different style of an email newsletter that converts better for you. So what you could do is set up a custom GPT with your specific guidelines and knowledge. But here I even have the template here, right? Subject line, hi, first name goes here. That's the nameplate for the first name. And then welcome to this week's edition of the AI Power Play. Here's a quick summary, blah, blah, blah. And if I say, I don't like this, I want you to explain the steps to get started. So I asked it for a more revised version. So I liked this version better. So then what I do is I copy and paste this into my CRM, which is ConvertKit. You can use other CRMs, Beehive, HubSpot, etc. And then I kind of format it with the help of my custom GPT. And then I go in and fine tune it. I add my own words. I add my own links. I had images where the images are relevant, AI news, et cetera, giving you a sneak peek of my email newsletter, which, by the way, you can find the link to subscribe below if you guys are interested for weekly AI updates and tutorials. But I just want to show you how I'm leveraging AI to repurpose my long-form YouTube videos into email newsletters with my provided guidance and knowledge. And in addition to just written content for social media captions, email newsletters, blogs, etc., you can also leverage AI to take long-form videos into short clips optimized for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and more. So you'll see here if you click the Shorts option on my channel, a lot of these clips were actually used by AI or repurposed by AI off of a long-form video. So I actually have a podcast called the Marketing Quacks Podcast, kind of where I expose some of the gimmicks and I interview some really good marketers. And really what I do, my process here, is I'll take one of my podcast episodes, I'll run it through a tool called Opus Clip, and then I'll let Opus Clip go through an entire episode, pick out the viral spots. So right here from this one podcast episode with Julia McCoy, who's got a great channel in AI, by the way, it went through and cut this into about 30 or 40 short clips. It gave it a score out of 100, a virality score. It comes up with a title. So if I click into this, It comes up with a title that's generated by AI, comes up with an AI generated description. I can even go and edit it. I can download it. I can integrate it with my social media accounts and publish this on a content calendar. So you guys see the benefit of using a tool like Opus Clip to repurpose long form videos like YouTube videos or podcasts into optimized short clips that you can post across several channels. Now, I know I'm just scratching the surface here with my content strategy, but if you want to know in more details about what tools I'm using, what prompts I'm using, and just some other secret sauces I like to say, again, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can sign up for free. This will also get you access to my weekly AI Power Play emails where I go through every week, and it's not just a news where I give you all the AI news. That's a small chunk of it. I'm going through and giving you AI tutorials, AI reviews, or whatever really is trending that week, and really what I find the most valuable in AI right now to help keep you updated. So if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you, and I really hope that you found a topic like this valuable. I get asked all the time, Ryan, how are you creating so many videos every week, or how are you staying consistent with your content across all platforms? Now, I didn't give you all of it. Again, sign up for my emails and marketing essentials guide to get more details on how I'm doing it, but I hope this video gave you a high level of what I'm doing with content and how I'm leveraging AI to make myself more efficient. And if you did find this valuable, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification icon. Let me know in the comments below how you guys are using AI for content creation. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.